Can I move the seat? Do you care?
Yeah, you can. No, not that way.
I don't know if you're like Scott, and if I touch anything, you're gonna flip out.
No, I just hope it doesn't sever any wires. You would know. You'd be the first.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good to know.
Ejector seat. Done with that whole walking thing, huh?
Yeah, that was bullshit.
Yeah, me too. I would be done by the time I got halfway down there.
I don't know. I would be okay with the walking thing.
Yeah. She was like, let's get out and watch. I'm like, I'm just gonna sit here. Get out sounds like a lot of work.
Yeah, I need to take pictures.
I mean, I thought my roommate wasn't going to be a bitch and actually go down, but...
Spinning!
Are you in?
I'm not low.
But you're still at 4.
Yeah, but I'm not low. I'm in the 4-wheel drive that can go on roads right now. I feel like following Peter without knowing where he's going is a bad idea.
Yeah.
Well,
if you go that way, that looks like a good way to go.
I think you can go where a Wrangler goes before you can go where a dirt bike goes.
Yeah, that's what my mistake last time was. That's how I got stuck on a 4-wheeler trail.
Yeah, but she doesn't seem like she goes down the risky ones, and she went that way. The other guy wanted to go this way.
She's not as experienced. That would be why.
Yeah.
Woo!
Mind the zero gravity.
That's a good idea. That's a nice handle right there.
Well, you know what they're called, right?
Yes, I do. There's a good reason for it. You're just spinning.
Your back stop. I think your tire's not spinning. It looks like it's flat. It's rubbing.
Or what?
I don't know. It's like way flat. It's on your rims.
Fat tire.
No, it looks okay, but maybe it.
What was it rubbing on?
Well, it looks flat from where it was. It does look flat right now, but maybe it was just rubbing on the something. Oh, don't let it.
It sounds fine. Yeah. My door's open.
Yeah, everyone's doors open.
I was just getting back a little bit.
There's a thing behind you.
Dirt bike.
Oh, it's pushed up into your...
Oh, I'm rubbing.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
That makes sense.
That's what I was trying to say. It's rubbing in your...
You said it was rubbing on something, and I didn't like that.
And you said it's really flat.
Well, because it looked flat up against your thing when I looked out. That's
Oh, yeah.
But she did say the word rubbing.
That's
No.
It's a rock. I'm not doing that.
Okay.
Tree, stay.
The only other thing that went down that was a Wrangler. And apparently a dirt bike.
Yeah.
But
It's a rock.
Yes.
It is a rock.
Nice.
And the other Wrangler that went down, it was stock, and it scraped a big chunk off of it. The rock, not the Wrangler.
Oh.
Huh.
What up? And that walking stuff was terrible.
Oh, there's Parsley's.
Every now and then you gotta say, hey.
Yeah.
People passing by. Then you have to run to catch up.
Well, how do they get here then?
Easy way.
Yeah.
Man, that's the biggest ant mound I've ever seen. Just hammer the fenders out.
Oh yeah, this is fun.
Fun?
This is flexy.
Flex.
Well, if you want me to go and get a picture of you, just tell me. Like, yeah, a lot of pictures of him.
Don't slide into the hole.
I'd be more worried about sliding into the Jeep.
I've got plenty of room.
I know, that big old spare on the back. It's like a cushion.
There you go.
He must four-wheel a lot.
Why? Because he knows where he's going.
Yeah.
What gives you the hint? The FSU Off-Road Club?
Well, but that.
He's graduated this year. He's probably
Yeah.
been in the club for the whole time.
Well, he was kind of one of the founding members.
Yeah. They'd probably do it too.
What is this? Oh my goodness, do we have to go that way?
No.
Okay.
I didn't even know that was a trail. And down. Slid a little bit.
I don't think it was. Man, it might have been a trail.
Yeah. Probably not for a Jeep, but now it is.
Oh my goodness. There's
What?
a big hole. Never look at potholes the same.
No.
Big in your car, be like, oh, that's nothing.
Boom. Could drive through a manhole without the cover on it. Don't even think of that.
I didn't even feel that hole. You missed it.
Did you see it?
I saw it.
Seen it?
I usually close my eyes.
Seen it with your own two eyes.
No, this isn't bad.
So this is on his property as well?
This turns into the graveyard.
So this is his graveyard?
I don't think so. Woo! I don't think he owns a graveyard. That's kind of
This is where we're gonna end up.
Yeah, see, if you roll down the mountain, you end up where you're
Yeah.
supposed to be.
Cherokee, Ford. See, I would think the thing over there is a mini excavator.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Now where's he going?
We have a medium next.
Okay.
Oh wait, this is the right way. I think.
Oh,
Yes, it is.
Private property, no hunting.
Feel that bump?
Yeah.
This just makes me want to get a Jeep. Then I look at how much you guys sink into it. Like,
No.
Yeah, such is fine.
It's a hobby. It's like owning a horse.
Right.
I don't want a horse.
But you want a Jeep.
You could buy a Ranger and you wouldn't have to put as much money into
You
it.
could buy a Ranger and just get stuck.
Yeah.
Be like Parsley.
He's not a very good example of a Ford truck.
What
I don't
trucks
think-
look like lifted? Ford is on the rack.
You were. I don't think you ever got stuck in your Ranger.
No, I did one time, but everybody did.
Yeah.
Because we were trying to make
Oh
them
yeah, and that's
roll.
when I had a skirt on and I walked through the big.
Yeah, that was bad stuck.
Yeah.
I was like you weren't.
That was
you weren't
buried
sure
my
if you were going to
33s.
get your
Yeah.
truck back.
Yeah, that was bury 33s and pray.
This is like killer on your tires. All the jabby rocks. Do you like keep them low pressure to deal with it?
I just leave them how they are. They haven't exploded yet.
We thought they did.
Oh.
hey!
I know.
Well,
Weird.
it looked like it
Popped up out of
was.
nowhere.
I mean, this is his property. He just does
Right.
shit.
Too fast.
Pretty sure that sounded normal.
This
My
just
car
seems-
doesn't make it.
Yeah. You know, come to think of it, mine doesn't either.
Yeah, but you didn't come up back here. It's a Jeep thing. You
It
wouldn't
looks like
understand.
swamp.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to go through that.
He's going to.
I don't have a choice now.
Reverse.
Yeah, that's not an option apparently.
This is sticky.
I mean, no one would question your manhood.
I can't really control where I'm going. There's these ruts, and they kind of steer me.
It's just a roller coaster, free tracks.
Yeah, if they steer you, it means you don't have to do it.
Sheri keeps looking back. Okay, I'm doing it.
Not that you're doing it.
John, quit making that noise out there.
I guess you need a C.
So you've never been in this, Sean?
No.
This mud here. This is crazy.
This slosh.
Peter's just like, it's alright.
Oh God, my knee rolled the window down.
Protect the camera at all costs.
Down. You know up?
No, my knee hit the window and rolled it down.
Oh.
I thought you'd been to all
I thought
these
you said I
trails
might
now.
need to roll my window down.
That looks sketchy.
Yeah. Do we have to do that?
Sheri, I don't see another option to get out of here at this point.
It's just,
Downhill here, babe, but you'll be fine. Just stay in the middle. It's pretty wide open.
I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, all we gotta do is slide. Sheri's gonna puke.
You can see better than ow. I can. I can't see what.
Oh, well,
it
that's
looks
comforting.
like.
Thank you. Let's just say it some more.
I'll know what it looks like in a second. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, you know what the bottom looks like. You don't know what you're sitting on looks like.
That's not important.
I don't know if I can capture the intensity of this.
You can't.
Maybe
No.
I need to just
That's what videos are for. And they don't even capture it all.
take a video.
They don't capture the oh shit moment.
Right.
Mine would, because I'm just sitting here going,
Oh, he went that way. I was like, which way you go?
why did you stop?
Waiting.
Looking at the wildlife.
Baiting.
Baiting.
Baiting. He's like, come on, Sean, you can do it. You can do it, Sean.
Peer pressure's a bitch.
You won't. I learned to never tell a Marine, you won't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's fun to tell people you won't. Because then they do, and it's hilarious.
This is strange.
Well, my buddy last
Yeah, how
night
is it possible?
was like, you won't start in 6th gear in your RX-8. He goes, okay. He did.
And then he replaced the clutch today.
Yeah. Well, the engine went up.
Oh my gosh.
It was going out anyway, but
That stinks.
it didn't smell too good.
Yeah.
I don't think Peter's left 2nd gear.
I doubt it. That's a lot of shifting to do.
Yeah. Might not have even left 1st gear for more than a few seconds. And Ashley's like, I'm not doing that.
He just ran over a tree. In a dirt bike, that's just... In a four-wheeler, you can center it, but on a dirt bike, you have to hit it just right.
Seems like he knows what he's doing.
Seems that way.
I'd have eaten it 100 times on a dirt bike.
This is comforting. There's a house down there.
I would try it, but I wouldn't make
Want
it.
to go see it?
No, no, no.
We'll take the express route.
Sean, I bet you wouldn't even make it 5 feet.
Hey,
down
don't
that
you
hill.
even say that.
You won't. Ooh.
No balls.
I bet. I will throw my camera at you before I let you.
She's serious.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. I seen it.
Seen it with my own 2 eyes.
Sean, I think you've got new pops and pings on this thing for when we
I
started.
blame the drive shaft.
You what?
I blame the front drive shaft. I'm pretty sure that's what all the noises are. I've never been here before. steering sound. The woohoo!
That whistle.
It's like a turbo.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it is.
Yeah. You busted a turbo in your car.
I hear sometimes turbos just creep up on cars. It's like pop up.
Yeah.
It's like getting sick, getting the common cold. You get a turbo.
Except no one's upset to get a turbo.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right?
You're fine.
And you don't try to get it fixed.
You try to grow your own turbo.
Muddy rocks.
Yeah, it seems like all these little hill climbs, Mother Nature makes sure you get your tires wet before you start. Something at the bottom of the hill collecting water.
That gravity thing.
Yeah, that darn gravity.
Remember, it's not proven, it's just a theory.
Woo.
That was close. That's okay. If I hit my mirror,
It'll fold
just like
in.
tap it, it'll just fold.
You can fold it now.
Yeah, but I can't see behind me.
Okay. Well, you have a rearview mirror, but...
Behind you. Don't worry about it. It's what's in front of
Keep
you.
your eyes,
That's
yeah.
the problem.
It's getting tight.
Yeah, it is. Got a couple of those close. Whoa, where's he going? I don't think he's supposed to be in this trail.
That was close.
I think he's going the way that the trail's supposed to go.
Yeah. I just don't think it's supposed to be a vehicle trail.
Well, can't really turn around.
No.
Not with that attitude.
I like my attitude. Stick. Well, now you know that I knew my Jeep.
That's not the trail. Yeah, it is. I guess it is. That's the right trail.
Yeah, we can't fit
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, impossible. I don't like the sideways thing.
I'm pretty sure it's fine.
Yeah. Let's go with that. I don't think Sheri likes the sideways thing.
I don't like how he just got stuck.
I have to go forward to go backwards.
I don't think that's how that works.
Or not.
Oh, you're gonna...
I don't like this tree.
That tree doesn't like you.
Don't have to sacrifice it. Oh gosh. I don't want to go that way. I have to go up more to go backwards.
Yeah.
So there's these branches and stuff.
We're sliding off this place. Can we get out? I'll help. I'll just get out and watch.
See, I gotta go forward more to get out of like.
Hold on, I'm gonna hop out.
Wait, I'm hopping out. I can't. Is that gonna put too much weight on it? Though?
Go forward like half a foot. Okay, now you gotta try and bump over this log.
Yep, I'm gonna bump out.
That's what I thought was gonna happen.
Okay, we're gonna just come up to where I am.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out.
Holy. You want me to get in that side of the Jeep?
I guess.
Yeah, right. He's in there.
Straighten out just a little bit. More. Like that. Try this. Nope, straight. Now turn a little bit more. Cut. Now just keep going up. A little bit more.
Ascend!
You gotta keep your tire over here. Sean, you gotta keep your tire over here. No. So back up.